Hey neighbors, my Walmart orders arrived. Just a small one. Dang, I thought I got paper towel. I'm gonna have to check my order. The only thing heavy in these bags, but that's some toilet paper. I picked that up to bring over to Casey's when we go to visit. I'll show you the rest of what I got. And my microphone plugged in there, hence the plug. Good morning, or good afternoon, or evening, whatever time I put this up, and whatever time it is in your area, in your neck of the woods. Okay, let's do this. I got my cumin. I remembered. And I have to refill my spice thing, put the rest of it away. And I got 2 packages of these. They're so puny, but I'm hoping to get 2 batches of cookies. I'm going to make a batch for our neighbors because they help Graham shovel the driveway, and a batch for Casey. I mixed them with some chocolate chips for some cookies. Graham's bananas. I'm going to put them over by the coffee percolator. How's everybody doing? You know what I always say. I hope you're doing fantastic. Put you back there a little bit. I am making something that requires peas. And I ran out of peas, so I got some frozen peas. And I'm making something else next week with some peas and carrots. Three bags of milk equaling 4 liters of milk. I got to wipe them off and then wash my hands and wipe them off and put them away, the stuff. Got to wash the bananas too. Celery. Delicious. Mushrooms for a recipe. Some orange juice was on sale. Graham likes a glass of orange juice in the morning before work. And yeah, I thought that I had paper towel. Well, last week I did an order and there was garbage bags, but the garbage bags didn't come till the next day. So maybe it's the same thing with paper towels, so I'll have to have a look. Anyway, that's it. I'll look up what I paid again. I think it was like $60-some. That was it. $60-some gone. I don't get a lot of big orders. Come on in here with me for a second. We'll chit chat. 1 second. Okay, well that chore is done for the day. I just checked my paper towel is on its way. It's in a. It's a shame. It's not. I guess they didn't have it there. I don't know, but it's coming separately, so that'll arrive later on. One thing about online shopping, I think I clicked the wrong toilet paper. Both of them were on sale, but I think the other one that was on sale, I think you get more squares, It looks like it'd be the same amount, but it's actually not if you look at how many squares you get or something. But anyway, I got that one. And I got a big thing of paper towel, because I'll split the paper towel with Casey, but I'll take over that toilet paper. We usually just get 2 things of the Kirkland toilet paper, one for here and one for Casey's. But I didn't pick it up at Costco when we were out looking at the flooring. So I just grabbed this here one. So what are my plans for today? Not much, really. I am planning on baking some bread, so I'm going to get that done and probably share that. I don't know if it's going to be this video or in another video, but I'm going to make some bread. Also, I'm going to make a dinner for two. I don't know if that'll be in this video or another video. It's just a small, inexpensive budget meal. I don't know. I'm thinking. I'm always thinking. This is the thing. I'm always thinking. I can't shut my mind off. It's a curse and a blessing at the same time. But I'm thinking about banking some of the videos and just putting them all in one, because sometimes I'll put up something and that video might not do well, but maybe it'd do well if it was combined with other stuff. I don't know. I have no clue. But anyway, I'm still having fun. So that's the main thing. I'm enjoying myself. You have to live life to your fullest. Definitely. Just looking outside, it's so pretty out there. I'm going to show you. It's so pretty. I was going to go out and build a snowman and have the camera set up at the window while I build a snowman. However, it's minus 23 degrees Celsius. So Jerri is not going out there to build a snowman. Look how pretty. Isn't that nice out there? The snow is kind of fluffy, but I do think it's packable. I do think it'll be a good... I'll show you. I love looking at the tree that Casey bought for his dad for his birthday. We named it Chrissy because it looks like a Christmas tree over in the corner. See? I don't know. Maybe you can see it. It's growing. It was a wee little thing when Casey bought it for him. And then, put it over in that corner. We got so many garden plans for this year. I cannot wait. I'm very excited about it. It's been a while since we had a little bit of tea talk. So I thought I'll do a grocery haul and chit chat with you. So the other stuff probably will be in a separate video. Oh, I got you tilted. Don't fall over. It's a picture of me and Casey there many moons ago. He got citizenship award at a school. He got them a few times, actually. Casey was really good at helping kids and helping other children out. He's very kind-hearted, very patient. And there were some kids that kind of needed, someone to kind of help them break out of the shell, or, not feel so scared in class or on a schoolyard. And Casey, I was always there to help the underdog kind of thing. And others, they always stuck up for kids and said, "Come on with me. You don't need to listen to that," or whatever. He was very kind, and he would go to school, and if he thought that someone looked sad in his class or around, he would be concerned for them, and he would even sometimes just go and ask the teacher if everything was okay with a certain person or whatever. And a lot of times teachers would come up and ask me, is it okay if we put Casey next to so-and-so, because they kind of need someone to kind of help them feel good or whatever about themselves and whatnot. And I say, absolutely, if Casey is okay with it, if he doesn't mind moving. And Casey didn't mind. Like, they would put him next to someone for a while and then move him next to somebody else for a while. And both my boys, kind-hearted. Kind-hearted. Andrew, oh gosh, and you never meet a nicer man, I tell you. My boys, and Andrew was just a sweetheart, and he always helped the underdog, and he was always doing something for someone. So that's about all that's going on in my life. What's going on in yours? Comment down below. How are things going so far? I forget what somebody said, 75 days or so until spring.
Spring starts in 2 months and 3 days on Thursday, March 20th, 2025. By the way, you've had a new notification. Do you want to hear it?
No, thanks. 2 months and 2 days, I think she just said. I just asked, and I'll put the name across the screen because I don't want to activate yours if you have one. 2 months and 2 days to spring. I'm not minding the winter very much. But I don't really go anywhere, so it doesn't really bother me. Well, I guess I'll let you go until the next one. Peace, love, and God bless, and please come back again, like, share, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. Take care, everyone. Bye.